Well, you want to make sure you have a tire gauge that's capable of the PSI of your tire holds. This one goes up to 50. These tires are rated for 80. So we need to find a new gauge. This trailer is equipped with a hydraulic jack, both for dumping and loading. Look at this.
All right, so the ramps are stored underneath. This trailer's also got 4 anchor points, so you can tie down if you pull in a front end loader or a little skid steer or something. You can tie her down. Got the ramp set up right there. Just drive her up in there.
Foot dump trailer with 4-foot tall sides that has a 15-yard capacity. Normally I would get a 20-yard dumpster doing a project like this, and I'll go through half a dozen containers. This will be my 6th dump with this. I used to get a 20-yard dumpster for $350 plus 60 a ton. Now it's $700 plus tonnage, which is they're charging $100 a ton now, and you can only have the dumpster for 5 days, and it's $100 a day. So a dumpster costs me around $1,000 a can. So I figure I'm already pushing, well, because I got to pay to dump this too, at least $5,000 in savings this thing has on it versus getting dumpsters. I get to keep this at the end of the job, and I can either rent it out or sell it, and I'd still be money ahead versus paying a high price for containers. So there's a high demand, and people are just naming the price. So I went and got my own dumpster, and we're off to the dump.
And how much was it per container?
Well, it used to be $350, included 2 tons, and anything after 2 tons was $60 a ton. Now it's $700 a ton. I mean, $700 for a container for 5 days. Anything over 5 days is $100 a day. No tonnage included, and they're charging $100 per ton. So it's right around $1,000 a container, and it used to be, after everything was said and done and picked up the container, I'd be between $350 and $450 depending on what I put in there. So it's definitely doubled in price.
All right. And then what did you get this trailer for?
I bought this trailer. It's a 7-foot by 16-foot with 4-foot sides, and it has ramps. You can haul a skid steer or a small excavator with it as well. 15-yard capacity for hauling. 7-ton trailer, 14,000 pound. I paid $12,000 for it, and this will be its 6th dump. So in relation to 20-yard dumpsters, you know, it's like 5 20-yard dumpsters. So there's $5,000 in savings. It takes a little time to drive to the dump, but half hour each way, probably half hour there.
Yeah.
It's worth the savings, and it's a handy thing to have. So if you need to move or do anything like that, you can put a lot of stuff in here. We're going to go to Lowe's and pick up trim after the dump.
That's hand loadable.
One more time, punch it.
It's true. Nice.
saw earlier with the hydraulic jack, just flip this valve. And now we're dumping. Good, how you doing? Raise your day at the top. Oh, yeah.